Let's learn the animal names with the help of flashcards. Elephant, A for elephant. Hedgehog, H for hedgehog. Sheep, S for sheep. Dolphin, D for dolphin. Whale, W for whale. Zebu, Z for zebu. Shell, S for shell. Reindeer, R for reindeer. Giraffe, G for giraffe. Fish, F for fish. Hippo, H for hippo. Yeti, Y for yeti. Seahorse, S for seahorse. Goat, G for goat. Quail, Q for quail. Tiger, T for tiger. Yak, Y for yak. Penguin, P for penguin. Anteater, A for anteater. Snail, S for snail. Wolf, W for wolf. Fish, F for fish. Jaguar, J for jaguar. Uakari, U for uakari. Octopus, O for octopus. Zebra, Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun.